PichiAvo is Juan Antonio Sánchez Santos, born in 1977, and Álvaro Hernández Santaeulalia, born in 1985, a duo of street artists from Valencia, Spain. Recognised for their skill at creating connections between painting and sculpture in urban settings, they adopt a thoroughly innovative approach in their artistic fusions. A balanced combination of classical art and the most contemporary urban art can be identified in their work. Trained in fine art and in design, the duo met on the graffiti art scene in Valencia, forming PichiAvo in 2007. From that moment, they worked on developing joint projects, pursuing an unremitting search for a style of their own. To achieve this, they went through various stages as painters, focusing initially on skill and technique until they reached the point of needing to express themselves through what most defines them today: graffiti and classical art. This piece, created for the Big Picture Fest in 2020, is a depiction of Epicurus, an ancient Greek philosopher and sage who founded Epicureanism, a highly influential school of philosophy. PichiAvo's style is renowned for the combination of classical art and graffiti, offering a new approach to ancient mythology and classical art. PichiAvo have carried out projects at some of the leading venues in international urban art, such as Windward Walls in 2015 and the Hard Rock Stadium in 2016, both in Miami, and the Houston Bowery Wall in New York in 2017, where theirs was the first painting intervention by European artists. In 2019, they created a monumental 26-metre high sculpture for the Phallus Festival in Valencia and held their first major exhibition at a public art centre. In April 2019, they executed the second largest mural in the world in the city of Porto, in collaboration with the celebrated Portuguese artist Vils. PichiAvo's career has attained artistic recognition and popularity on an international scale, establishing them among the most prominent street artists on the current urban art scene.